Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Sapiyit Kami, but Kikubo, Baman Kasmi.
Kinong song shnong Tibet mentaga sngi kilakan tu ya ka sarkar India ban khot ekran ba ka sarkar China ban pensngau ya ka jingsha ban ban kinong song shnong jong kari Tibet. Haba kren mentaga arhun riu tareng nai wing 8,000 arhuai ka Tenzing Dolma President Tibetan Women's Association kalau ong ba ka sarkar China kampurom ya ka hoklong brio man brio bat namar kani kum kinong Tibet ki kentu ya ka sarkar India bat kiwai kiri ba kimdai ban le shim mentaga ka Winter Olympic 8,000 arhuar Kabanlong hanong ba Beijing kari China kumsi benta bandan lang bat kinong Tibet ki balasha ban bay na do ki por menshwa.
My name is Tenzing Dolma. Right now I'm working as president of Central Tibetan Women Association. Women Association is founded in 1959, March 12, when China captured Tibet. After that, we came to exile in 1984 by the blessing and guidance of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Nowadays, we have 58 regional chapters and around 20,000 members. Today, we came here to appeal the Indian leaders. We came with the 5 points. First one is, please support us for the dialogue with His Holiness Dalai Lama and the China delegates. And secondly, about the human rights. We don't have human rights, basic human rights in Tibet. Our brothers and sisters are suffering a lot. Is getting worse and worse every day. So all the political leaders and the Indian government to support us for that one, please voice up. And thirdly, our 11th Panchen Lama, Kindin Chik Nima, he was captured by China. We don't know where he is, and he is the youngest prisoner all over the world. And please support us to release him if he is alive, and please support us to release him if he is alive. And fourthly, our environment, world environment जो world का environment सबसे ज़्यादा सुरक्षित रखना चाहिए, उसमें अभी तिब्बत का जो environment वो destruction ज़्यादा कर रहा है. इसके वजह से even though after they are constructing lots of dams also, they were diverting the rivers of Tibet. Not only Tibet, after, in future the Asia will affect, all the Asia will affect. So that point is very important, not for the benefits of Tibet, for the all over the Asia. And last point is सब मिलकर नारे लगाएं कि बीजिंग ओलंपिक ना हो, बॉयकॉट 2022 बीजिंग ओलंपिक, क्योंकि बीजिंग ओलंपिक तो ऐसे राज्य में होना चाहिए कि जिसमें मानव अधिकार एक ही हो, सबको एक ही तरफ देखे, जहां कंपैशन हो. अभी तो हाल ही में आफ्टर कोविड-19 से पता चल चुका है, नॉट ओनली इंडिया, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड के लीडर सब पता चल चुके हैं. इसलिए ऐसा ना हो, इसलिए हम सब मिलकर नारे लगाएं कि बॉयकॉट चाहिए बीजिंग ओलंपिक. ऐसे 5 विषय लेके हम लोग अभी तक हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आए हैं. आगे भी जाएंगे, हम लोग सबसे मिलेंगे, अपील करेंगे, हम लोग इसके बारे में आप लोग बात रखें. अभी तक जो इन मेघालय पब्लिक और गवर्नमेंट में हम लोग को जितना सपोर्ट किया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद. इससे ज़्यादा स्पेशली फॉर द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस.
Why don't you please brief English?
Brief in English.
Why did you want to boycott?
I came to Beijing because there is no human rights in Tibet. They have captured not only Tibet, the minority of the Uyghur, all these is Turkestan and all. They are repressing all these. We don't have the rights to talk our own language also. We can't use our set also. They are just destroying our monastery, violating all the peoples. Till now, 155 people have self-immolated because of the repression.
The suppression of the
Chinese government.
Okay.
That's why when a country there is no compassion, nothing, no human rights, then how they can get the opportunity to host the Beijing Olympic? That's why we boycott Beijing Olympic.